Great. So we can see just through a couple balls there, just by giving yourself a little more room, squaring up those shoulders, you're definitely swinging the club on a more shallow path. Divots are a little bit thinner, and you know, we're starting to see that ball actually move a little bit right to left with the wedge, which is hard to do if you're coming over the top. So you've gotten much better just through that. So, you know, we've already made a lot of progress with just a little bit of a setup issue. I want you to feel the similarity between that putting stroke and this bump and run type shot. I want these motions to feel essentially the same. So go ahead and hit this putt. Make sure you get the ball back to that hole. It's an uphill one. Good. Great. Might have made it. Cool. So that was basically perfect. So I want you to just feel that same type of motion here with that wedge in your hand.
Okay.
It's going to show you how that bounce is utilized, and also I want you to really be focused on how when you putt, the butt end of that club stayed pointing at your stomach there.
Okay.
When you were hitting your pitches earlier, the handle was kind of getting out in front.
Okay.
So I want you to feel the same thing as that putt. Handle stays pointing at the belly. Done the little bump and run shot, the short pitch shot. Now we're moving our way back, okay? I don't want much to change here. I really want you to focus on that when we get farther away, our biggest flaw as golfers is to slow down getting into that golf ball, and you kind of try to save it by keeping the handle up front. Okay, I want you to really focus on when you finish, that club staying pointing out in front of you.
Okay.
Why is that similar? We just did those two things, right? I want to make sure that we're not getting too many thoughts running through our mind. You're a good enough player, you can probably just react and get it close anyway. But if you're, purposely trying to hit it high, I would say let's just give yourself two thoughts. So, what are your two thoughts?